I remember coming home at the end of a long work day and just like falling on the couch. My roommate was like, "Oh, you never paint." And I remember saying to her, because I'm so tired and I'm so sick of talking about art. But then when I started actually getting back into the practice for myself and for my own mental health, I cannot explain to you how much that benefited me. Don't forget your why. And I don't mean your why of why you became a teacher. I mean, why did you become an art teacher? Hey, art teachers. My name is Kaitlyn Edington, and I am an art educator in the outskirts of Pittsburgh. I spent 15 years teaching elementary school students, and it was just the absolute best. I recently stepped away, though, from the classroom to have more time with my family and to be able to pursue other creative endeavors that I have always been dreaming of. So good morning. It is 6:30 in the morning. Regarding social media in the mornings, I absolutely want to check my phone first thing in the morning, like many of us do. I notice when I check my phone first thing in the morning, it kind of sets my day up to just, I'm like kind of in a funk, I'm kind of blah. I try to do some kind of creative exercise, drawing, painting in the morning. It doesn't have to be very long, but basically, if I want to check my phone or social media, I first need to make something before I can consume. So create before I consume. Typically how my morning goes is I will create for a while, and then usually around like 7:30 is about the time that I know my kids are going to start waking up. So I know I need to either like wrap up what I'm painting, or then I go ahead and start getting myself ready. I start making lunches and kind of doing things for the kids to get going for the day. So by the time they wake up, we're kind of ready to go. So to make creating super accessible to myself in the morning, I basically will leave out my sketchbook, even just in this spot. And I pretty much keep all of my like quick go-to materials in a pencil or a marker bag. And I will try to leave this on the table the night before, kind of waiting for myself. So I think a lot of people get hung up on like getting materials out first thing. So when things are just kind of waiting for you, it makes it a lot easier. If you haven't already done so, make sure that you are subscribed to The Art of Ed on YouTube, and be sure to like this video so that you see more like it.